Hey everyone, welcome to Life and Leisure. For many families, the fertility journey can be one of the most emotional, overwhelming, and deeply personal experiences of their lives.
Yeah, that's right. We know all too well. We went through it ourselves, and that's why we're so thrilled to have our next guest, because they're really helping transform that experience with compassionate, at-home support designed to bring comfort, confidence, and peace of mind to patients navigating that fertility journey.
Yes, joining us today is co-founder and CEO Lior Geft and his beautiful wife, Donnie. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
Nice to have you guys.
Thank you.
We've walked this road.
Yes.
We know what it's like. We spent 5 or 6 years, right, going down that road. And you're right, you can feel alone. It can feel a little bit overwhelming. So tell us exactly what you guys do to help combat that.
We moved to Chicago. We're young, married, just living it up in the city. He starts law school. I'm starting my first job. We just have like a great social life. And we start thinking about kids, and we kind of enter this fertility journey. And we're like, all right, we're just going to do it. We'll get it done. We'll have kids. Kind of takes over your life.
Yeah.
And it was not a blip in time. And, you know, the clinics that we went to are amazing. They are amazing. They're great at treating, diagnosing, doing all the things. But then you get home and you're like, oh, wow, now I have to do all of this on my own. I open the box. I'm a nurse. I've given a million injections in my life.
Mm-hmm.
I open it. I was like, oh, wow, there are a lot of things, not a lot of instructions. Now what?
Yeah.
And we are both pretty capable, smart people. And we look at it, we're like, what about the people who are doing this by themselves?
Yeah.
And, you know, we would chat with the clinics and kind of say, like, what do people do? And they're like, you're right, there's a ton of people who need help and they don't have where to go. So we're like, we would like to help people because we feel alone. We feel like we're harboring this big secret. Everything's on our shoulders. It's very isolating. And I'm sure there's a million other people out there feeling the same way.
Fertility treatment can bring hope, but it can also bring stress, uncertainty, and an overwhelming amount of responsibility. For many patients, managing medications, injections, appointments, and changing instructions can make an already emotional journey feel even more difficult. The Fertility Concierge was created to make that experience easier. Founded by Lior and Danielle Geft, after navigating fertility treatments themselves, the company provides personalized, in-home medication and injection support, helping patients receive expert care in the place where they feel most comfortable.
So the personalized experience that we are able to provide, we meet the patients where they are. Some patients want to learn about their medications and their injections. Our nurses can do that. Some patients want to wait in the other room while the nurse gets their medications ready. We can do that too. We really can meet them exactly where they are and make sure that all of their needs are met and give them the confidence that their fertility treatment is being taken care of.
And where are you today? Like, take us through those 10 years and kind of how it evolved, because it's a fascinating story.
Yeah, it was very mom and pop in the beginning.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would go with a little bag to people's apartments in Lincoln Park, and you know, people are very private. They don't want to tell people what they're doing. And I'd come at the same time every night and do the injections and leave. I'd go to the Four Seasons for that bridesmaid. We had a Four Seasons. She had a wedding. She wasn't going to miss it. Bathrooms at restaurants. Like, you'd be very surprised.
Anywhere.
People don't want to miss out on life, and they shouldn't. And that's kind of what the point is.
Yeah, I would say we realized from the first call we got, it was a Monday evening, that it was something special, because just listening to Donnie talk to her without touching a needle, picking up medication, just relating and saying, I get it. Oh, you're doing that? I know, I just did it. That's tough. You just felt their ease set in.
The shoulders drop, right?
Yeah, you felt that stress start to dissolve. And that's when we realized, okay, that's what we do, right? We give people peace of mind. We give them sleep at night.
Yeah.
We give them some quality of life back and some support. The service, yes, we do it through the medium of helping with their medication, helping with their injections. But what do we offer? We offer them their life back.
Where can people learn more?
Our website is all of our information. You can book directly. It's at thefertilityconcierge.com.
Thefertilityconcierge.com.
That's right.
Nice.
That's fantastic. You guys are amazing. Very inspiring. We love that you work together. We work together. So it's fun to see other couples who are, you know, helping make the world a better place.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
For having
Lior and
us.
Donnie, thank you so much. We so
Thank you for
appreciate
having
it.
us.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for us.
everyone, for watching. We'll see you next time.